These buzzing sounds resemble bees. Concentrate on the ones that are smaller propellers. What a nimble speed!
What tiny flies at 120 kilometers per hour? Any guesses, audience? Right now we have the wonderful color display as of now. Now we're going to have a display of multiple quadcopters and hexacopters in front of you. The hums of these drones are truly satisfying, almost like a V8 engine. Pay close attention to the nimble drones as they mesmerize you with the sounds and action. Unforeseen scenes like these, due to unforeseen scenes like this, we kindly requested you to evacuate. We thank everyone who evacuated the scene for us. This is actually the part of any air show or any drone show. These high-speed drones are subject to some risks like these. We thank everyone who evacuated the ground, and we hope you're enjoying the show. And we just saw the display of one of the most elegant teams that we have here from Drone Racers Kerala.
Because the kilometer per hour is the speed. A blink of an eye is enough to lose the track of them.
We kindly request everyone in the gallery to be seated as you're gonna see a maneuver above your head in a few minutes. We kindly request everyone to be seated in the gallery. We repeat, we kindly request everyone to be seated in the gallery.